Yeah, I will send that. I will send this recording. So we have this recording. So I will send recording. Okay. So can I go ahead with the bank creation?
Yes, please.
Okay, fine.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Okay. So now let me check the bank, manage bank. So this is a payroll account. So we have two kinds of banks. One is one is a regular bank account, and other one
We
is
are not able to see your screen though. We are.
so my screen is not
We
visible.
start typing.
Yeah,
Type
yeah, yeah,
again.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I didn't do the presentation.
Yeah,
Now is yeah. Sorry for the trouble today. So
no problem.
okay. So I think I will start tomorrow from here. So then once I reach Hyderabad, we will get uh, um, regular bank account and payroll account. So regular bank account we use it to purchasing and receivables. Okay. So whenever we go purchasing or payments and receivables, we use this one. So we create for the payments and receivables the one account, and the other one is payroll account is for salaries. So we are going to create a payroll account which is used for the salaries. So first we need to create the bank, and then we can create a branch, and after that we will create a bank account. So let me create a manage bank. So we can search with manage bank and click on the manage banks, and here we can select first. We can create banks, then bank branches and bank accounts. Click on the manage banks. Yeah. So here two things. If the bank is already created, then we can go for select and add. If it is a new one, click on create new and click on apply and go to task. Okay. Now, so let me create new bank. Create. I'm ANL underscore. Firstly, so because the bank will should be assigned to the data group. So LDG unlock legislative data group, and country United States, and submit. Select and add. So we have the data group. Search it. So let me take ANL unlock data group and save and close. Click on save and close. The bank should be mapped to the data group. It is giving error, so let me check again. Okay. So it is saying that bank is related to cash management. See manage banks. It is a cash entry bank. So we and this product is this application, this demo instance is only for the HCM. So HCM related. So that's why. So it is not allowing. So for that, let me check the other way. We have other account. So this is a financial related server.
The ID should be different, right, for finance related.
Yeah, that is different. So
I think we've given different IDs initially. We had given 3 IDs.
yeah, finance you are getting Cassie Brown.
Finance and then
Yeah, finance is different.
HCM
Yeah, Cassie
and then
Brown. Yeah, this is a different one. Yeah, yeah. Now you are perfect, Mr. Madhav. You are able to catch this. So Oracle is promoting the demo version at the same time. So they are giving some kind of ad. So if you see this one at the left side, Disney, I think. I think Disney is going to. Mm, so yeah, so they are going to implement a fusion. I think Oracle Fusion.
mm,
So setup and maintenance. So let me go to the bank setup. So don't worry, we have one more link as well. So let me try this one. Because Oracle is maintaining 5 servers.
okay.
So this is one more server. I think we have 3 servers working now. This one is so the server is currently it is down. I think the server. So let me check this server. But they are selling the product in an aggressive way. But in the same time, so they are not maintaining the servers. Maybe they are insisting to learn the course from their university. I don't know. But I had attended that Oracle University 2 years back. But it is a kind of a 1 week session. But once we come out from the session, so we don't know because it's a mostly the PowerPoint presentation. So they didn't shows the application in depth. So let me go to this setup. Yeah. So now let me go to the cache management. So here the cache management. Yeah, cache management and banking. So let me go to cache management and banking. And here let me go to the manage branch. Manage banks.
When they show it's shared, Prasad, does it mean it's shared across modules?
Yeah, it's shared across the module. So actually what happened is, so it should be the HCM and financials, everything should be shared across the modules. And if it is not a shared instance, definitely, so they need to give the access. Okay, for example, so they are providing only HCM. So in that case, they must and should provide access to the bank account, because without bank account, we can't do any kind of a payroll related stuff. So
Yes.
for this the demo instance, so what the, as per the error, what I observed is, so they didn't share that one. So it's a kind of a bug for the demo. So they are saying that so we need to get it from the cache management. So in the real time scenario, so the client can't purchase two offerings. So when we call the offering here, so can't purchase two offerings, financial offering and HCM offering. So if it is required, so then the client will go for the both the offerings. So if it is not required, client will go for the only one offering, maybe HCM offering or financial offering. So in that case, in the financial offering, so client need to create employee stuff, employee data and employee jobs and employee positions. So and client need to get access HR for the HR related, and for HCM client need to get the access for the financial related. So the shared setups I am saying. So maybe I think in the real time yeah, so real time cloud, so I think they will provide. So click on create, manage branch, click on create a bank. So now we are able to, we are able to create this one. So let us give the country. So country is United States, and bank name. So I can give log underscore. Okay, so I will do one thing. So I will check Oracle, so whether they are providing the integration for that instance. If it is not, so then what I can do is, so we can go for this instance as well, so which is working well. But in the offline, so I will create whatever we completed.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Because we have 3 instances, so because I had taken 3 instances, I have a couple of friends in Oracle, so I had taken different instances. So my intention is that if one is not working, so we can't waste the time, then we can go for other instance like that. So analog payroll bank. So otherwise, what we can do? Can you please give me any bank name? So which we can create now. So either can I go for Bank of America, or there are so many banks, right? So whatever it may be. So we can
Yeah.
and we can go for the bank which is using for analogic, right? Analog, not analogic. Analogic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just take something like bank one. You can just say bank one.
Yeah, I can go bank one, but in the so we feel that we are implementing for this lesson. So any bank you can suggest. So
Yeah.
the most of the
I
bank.
mean, bank one is good, or you can say Chase Bank.
Yes,
Is
yeah, sure. Okay, no problem. Okay, Chase. So I think so here why we are taking client name, right? So we feel that we are implementing for this client, and in the same way
Yeah.
in the real time also. So we use we use the terminology in the same way only. So then we will be comfortable while doing the real time project.
Correct. Okay. Got it.
And
But are you going to you selected United Kingdom?
yeah, yeah,
We
yeah,
have to have
yeah, yeah, yeah,
United.
yeah. United States, correct. Thank you. So there are two ways we can search it, and otherwise we can select. So these are not mandatory: bank code, description, tax payer ID, and tax registration number. So in the real time, what we can do is we will check with the client, and we so if the client is able to provide the information, then we can update it. Otherwise, not a issue. We can go ahead. Okay. So here I am just giving our own codes, and description is unlogic. So taxpayer, ANL, registration number. So so you can give anyone, it will accept. Save and close.
It's a connection to slow.
So I will share this one as well. So this server link. So I will share all
Yeah.
the server links. So you can also use whichever is available.
Will it be the same database, or
I think database may be different. I think so. Maybe it will be your practice purpose. You can
okay.
create multiple times. I think database is a different one.
User is coming.
Hmm.
It's a different one.
Okay. Okay, you are saying just for the practice sake.
Yeah, just for the practice purpose. Okay. So click on done and click on done. So we can go for the manage bank branches. I had created a bank, and we can go for the bank branches. So let us create a branch here. So bank is, we created Unlogic Phase Bank. What happened? Actually, I had created so with United States, right? It has taken.
You have created.
So let me.
We'll have to edit it.
Yeah. Let us edit. Yeah, correct.
क्या चालू होता है?
नहीं, इससे कोई interesting है, under in
back. Okay. So it has selected a kingdom only. So let me create one more. So bank name. So anyhow we use this one, right? So I'm taking BOA. Okay.
Yeah.
Bank. So so if you want it, you can create address as well. It's not a mandatory, but we can create.
Mm.
Okay, right.
Mm. Very good.
So you can give the address line. So I'm just giving the main street 300 like this. Otherwise we can use already we had created a different address, right? So we can create that one. And cities New York. Yeah, and we'll take and click on OK. So now save and close. Okay. So next one is, let me go for the uh, bank branch. So click on the bank branches. We can create the bank branches here. So click on new. And here we can select the Bank of America. So then we can give the bank here. So this one logic BOA. So can you please give me any branch name there?
Long Island.
Sorry,
Long Island. LONG
Ireland.
_Island.
Is it correct? The spelling?
Long and then ISLAND. ISLAND.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Long Island. That's one of the kind of suburb of New York.
Okay. Okay.
What's the Long Island?
Hmm?
Long Island.
So this alternative branch and the routing, so we can get all these things from bank itself. Okay, so we can get bank branch type. So there are different codes, ABA, chips, and Swift code. So these are all related to the bank accounts. So bank uh, branch number type. Okay, so we will get it from the bank. Otherwise, so we will get it from the client. So client will provide all these things, but it is not a mandatory information. So once a client is able to provide, then we can copy and paste here, and then we can create it. So otherwise, it's not a required information. Save and close. Okay, click on OK. Click on done. So today so let us finish the bank account creation. So okay, it will not take much more time. So you can practice. You can practice this one, and I am going to share this link as well. So we'll check with the Oracle whether they are giving integration between these two. Otherwise, so we can go ahead with this financial. This one. So otherwise, what I can do is I can maintain the setups in the both the instances. So we can use alternative. So if one is up, then we can use alternative. So now,
So how do we link that HCM?
sorry, Mr. Satya.
How do we link this bank setup to the HCM instance?
Yeah. So that's what I can do is I will create so the setups which we completed. So in this finance instance. So in this financial instance,
Oh,
what happens is we have all the offerings. So in this instance, we can create for all the offerings, financial, HCM, and
okay.
so that one, yes, what we used earlier, that is only specific to the HCM. But whenever we create a bank, so it is giving a issue. And other than bank and even calendar as well. So calendar also, I was not able to create with that. So that means that
Oh,
so there is no integration. I will send a mail with the screenshot of this error messages. So if they are
mm,
able to update, then fine. And if it is not possible, then we can go ahead with this instance. Because what happens is
got it.
because it's a demo instance, right? So we can't pressurize. If it is a real-time client instance, then definitely we will raise a yes or then we can work on with Oracle. But so in this time, we can request only. We can't do than this. So let me create bank account. Okay. So we can let us check. So already we had created a bank branch. So let me select the branch and let me go for the account name. So I can non-logic BOA. So can I mention this checking account or payroll account? So what I can do?
I think payroll account.
Okay.
So we're taking HCM, right? Payroll. Like,
Yeah, payroll account. So account number. So we can give anyone. So I'm just taking 10 digits and currencies.
You can put this.
Yeah, currency with so USD and legal entity. So legal entity, what we can do is, I think we don't have the analogic because it's a different instance.
Yeah.
Okay.
So looks like we'll have to do some offline work to, configure all of that.
Yeah, correct. So for the
Catch up. You have to catch up.
we need to. So let me check. So if it is only legal entity, so we can create a legal entity. Legal entity, we can do that.
Yeah.
Okay. So here others are optional. Okay, payroll and everything. Okay. So do you have some time? So can we go ahead to create the legal entity here? So otherwise, so I can create in offline and we can use this one tomorrow. So as per your suggestion.
I think it would be nice if you can do it offline,
Okay.
and then we can continue from
Yeah, fine.
here tomorrow.
So okay. So I will do offline, and today I will check the COA chart of account value set.
Yeah.
What I can do is I can so I will do all the setups in the offline for all these three instances which I have. So we can use so if anyone is up. So
I mean, actually, I would prefer that to use the HCM server, because I think that is available on the weekends also, right?
That is correct.
yeah, correct.
Uh,
So
it should be
otherwise
available.
we can do one thing, Mr. Madhav. So I will check with Oracle. So if it is possible, then I can continue with that one. So otherwise, what I can do is I will explain all the setups in this instance. It's the core instance. It's not a, financials or anything. So it is the core instance. So we can see all the offerings here. So we'll explain this one,
Yeah.
and you can practice in that way. So then, if it is any problem, I can go ahead with your offerings, with your projects. So okay, so for example, such a created one offerings and for one project. He is maintaining a practice, and you are having one more project. So then, if there is any issue with this server, then I can use that server. I can go ahead. So what you say?
But in HCM, if the bank thing is not working, how will we proceed? So we
Yeah,
have to
because
put the bank thing in there as well.
Yeah, that is also true. So okay, so let us wait for let us wait for
Yeah.
let us go ahead with this instance, and I will send a
Yeah.
I will I will send mail, and once I get update, and then we can proceed with that link. So meanwhile, so we can proceed with this one, and this one I can see. So you can see all the offerings, right? So I am able to see
Yeah.
so
Correct.
HCM offering, and also I am able to see calendar and everything here. So whenever I say calendar, so it should be in the legal structure. Okay, legal structure
Okay.
or organization structure. Okay,
Okay.
or for financial reporting.
Okay.
Okay, let me check this one. So whether we are comfortable with this calendar and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one, right? Manage accounting calendar. So here we will get it because it's a
Yeah.
core instance. This instance is a core instance because so anyone can work on this one. So not only financial
Mm.
person, so anyone can work on this one.
Okay. Okay. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
work on here, and
yeah, yeah, yeah,
meanwhile, let's have that HCM fixed as well. Okay. So that.
sure, sure. Okay. Yeah, sorry for the
Okay.
so
trouble today,
Prasad,
but
yeah,
yes, Mr. Satya.
yeah. So tomorrow you think the lines will be better? You're back in the city, or you still where
Yeah,
you are?
no, tomorrow. So how you are feeling now? So for the last 15 minutes, you are feeling better
Yeah,
now,
it's
right?
been good.
Yeah, it's been because
Yeah, it's much.
so here also what happens is I have two connections. So one is one is with power and the other one is without power. If there is no power, then I am using the Geo. So you know, right? Geo, recently the Reliance has introduced. So I use the Geo that time, no power. So once I got the power, then so I switched to BSNL. So don't worry. So yeah. So I hope that so we will get better, and only for today or tomorrow only, and the day after tomorrow I will be back to Hyderabad. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you'll send us a link. You'll send us a link.
Yeah. I'm going to send that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
Prasad.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Yeah. You too. Thank you.
Bye. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Hello, Prasad.
Yeah. Hey, Pradeep. So
What happened?
you are
Hello.
able. Pradeep, you are able to hear me, right?
Yeah, I can.
So actually, we had a this one in instance issue. So now, so it is back. So we are able to get the instance, and I am able to get 3 servers. So here onwards, we will not face the instance issue. So got the three servers. Whenever if one is problem, and we can go for others. So how is your class?
What's that, Prasad?
Yeah, I'm saying so. Earlier, so last week we had a server issue. So Oracle server.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I heard that. Yeah.
we got it now, and I had taken a couple of servers. So we
Okay.
can use this one. Okay, if there is any problem with one server, and we can use this one. Okay.
Okay. Good.
So let me wait for. So and one more thing, Pradeep. So 7:30 is fine for you. So because so I had a class with I told you, right. So 6 to 7, and 7:30 is 7:15 for you. And so one person, they are also from US. So they are in New Jersey. So one person requested for 6:30 to 7:30. So is it fine for you? See 7:30. So rather than 7:15, 7:30.
7:30.
7:30 my time, IST.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. Okay. So let me check with Priyanka. Otherwise, we can continue. So let me check with 2 minutes, please. Hello, hi Pradeep. Sorry to disturb you. So can you please rejoin the session? Yeah, actually, Priyanka is not able to join. So can you please rejoin?
Okay.